Welcome to Ines Creation Limited, your one-stop destination for everything creative and design related. Whether you are a beginner looking to enhance your skill or a professional seeking fresh ideas, we have got you covered. In today's video, I will show you how to design an eye-catchy flyer using Canva, one of the easiest and most user-friendly tools for designer for all levels. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future design tips and tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to create something just like this, step by step. So let's get started. After create a page for flyer design, from the element, let's take this rectangle frame and adjust it all over the page like this. Again, from the element, let's take this rectangle shape, make it a copy and adjust both of these like this. Now for the frame, let's search your agency picture. Let's take this picture and adjust it like this. Then again from the shape, let's take this rectangle shape, make it a small and adjust it. Give it a dark orange color and adjust it behind the shape. Now copy this shape and change the color and keep the transparency low. Change the color in yellow. Take a rectangle shape and adjust it on this. Make it a behind and change the color in white. Delete this and here let's take this rectangle shape. Take a text box, type the text creative. Take another text box, type the text business. Again take another text box, type agency. Now select all the text, change the font style. Make all of them in right alignment. Take this shape and adjust it like this and change the color in white. Take this same shape and adjust here. Paste the dummy text, change the color in white, make them a left alignment. Let's take a rectangle shape. Before, let's take a text box, type who we are, change the color in orange, paste the dummy text. Now take a rectangle shape and adjust it under who we are. Take a text box, type the text, give it a letter spacing, change the color, adjust all of them, change the color in white. Take another text box like whoever and type who chooses us. Again, paste the dummy text like previous. Take the rectangle shape and change. Take a text box, type our special services. Go to the element and search a rectangle frame. Let's take this frame and adjust it on the right side. Now search a marketing team picture. Take a text box, type our marketing team. Change the font style. Now copy this text and from the effect give it a hello effect. Keep the theme line, change the color in white. Make the color one behind the picture and the outline one be in front of the picture. Now adjust the rectangle shape behind the picture. Now go to the element, find a marketing logo and a creative logo. Strategy logo. And change the growth logo with marketing and search another logo about marketing. Here it is. Adjust the all icons. Take a text box. Type marketing. Creative, strategy and growth. Change the color in orange, paste the dummy text. Make all the elements in center alignment, all the name in middle alignment and all the text in top alignment. Now let's take this line from the element and press shift and make them smaller and adjust them like a divider. Now let's take this rectangle shape and adjust it all over the bottom of the page. From the element, let's take the QR icon and again let's take this rectangle shape. Adjust the shape with a white color and give it a border in orange. Place them in the right corner. Take a rectangle shape and adjust it like this. Type get in touch. From the element, take this phone icon and the location icon and also a wave icon. Change the color in white and take a text box and type the phone number, location and web address. Give a letter spacing. Now take a text box, type scan for more. Now go to the element and search for a marketing logo. This logo, make it smaller. Take a text box, type marketing talk. Change the font. It's done. Here it is, a flyer design for a business agency or a marketing company. If you need this kind of flyer design or any other custom flyer design or trifold brochure design, presentation, pitch decks or magazine design, you can contact with us. Our contact details attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Ines Creation Limited.